Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Louis. And Louis, as you may remember, we documented his surgery day on our YouTube site. And Louis, I'll put his before pictures there. He was a guy that was losing a lot of hair on the top, and now he's a little more than a year from his procedure. It was actually done in July 2016. And so, Louis, what do you think of your hair so far? And has it changed anything? And tell us how you like your hair.
Well, I liked it. I mean, the outcome, it's definitely something that I like. Definitely much more hair now than what I had before. Before, I'm looking at the before pictures and it's just horrible. There's nothing on the top.
Yeah.
At least, now I'm able to comb my hair.
Right.
So definitely boosted my confidence.
Yeah. Family and friends are saying, hey, your hair's growing back, and it's exciting, huh?
Yeah, it's really exciting. I mean, especially family and close friends, every day they told me, hey, your hair is growing.
Yeah.
And,
so Louis, again, when you started out, you really didn't have a lot of hair. Even a successful hair transplant like you have is still going to be a little bit spacey and gappy in places. So about 30% is additional density. So he's considering potentially, maybe thickening it up a little bit and maybe finishing up the crown. But do you mind just putting your chin down to your chest so I can see the top? Yeah. So you can see how much different it is than before in terms of his coverage. We did not get to his entire crown, so we were talking about potentially maybe even finishing up the little area in the back and then running some more through the front just to get rid of any more gappiness and spaciness. But thanks again, Louis, for showing us, and I can't wait to see your final results should you decide to get more. But thank you for updating the fans that you have and the people on our website. Thanks again.
Thank you.
Yeah. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our HUE and HUE Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.